Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get plants with the chilled mutation and grow a garden. It is a little bit harder to achieve that mutation now. But here, as you can see, I need a chilled mushroom. It's been days. I haven't gotten it yet. So right now, my mushroom. Oh, I got it. I'm sorry. I got excited. So it was frozen, but to get it back to the chilled mutation, you will need an iguana. And I just placed some pancake stacks there. If you don't have that, you are going to craft the horseshoe magnet from the smithing event. But basically, you will need an iguana from the jungle egg, and that will mutate your plant either back to wet or chilled. Because you can only, I think, have the wet and frozen mutation from most weathers. So finally, I got it. Now I'm able to finally ascend again. So confirm. And that's it. That's how you can get the chilled mutation again. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.